Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix NVIDIA Installer Cannot Continue. So, this error appears when the driver installer cannot detect a GPU, the old driver is corrupted, or Windows is blocking installation. So first, make sure Windows detects your NVIDIA GPU. Simply open Device Manager by going to the search bar and searching for Device Manager. Now, if you see your NVIDIA card, good. If you see Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, unknown device, or nothing at all, then Windows isn't detecting your GPU. Restart your PC and try again. Or move to step 7 if it's missing. Now, step 2 is removing old or corrupt NVIDIA drivers using DDU. So a broken driver can block installation. Download DDU. So open any browser, search for download DDU. Hit enter and click on display driver uninstaller. Install any DDU, restart your PC in safe mode, open the DDU and choose clean and restart for NVIDIA. This will remove all old driver files that cause the installer cannot continue error. Now, step 3 is downloading the correct driver. So go to the official NVIDIA driver download page. You can go to the search bar, type in NVIDIA drivers download, click on this link. Now, on this page, you'll have to simply search manually for drivers. Choose your driver, the series, what kind of driver you have, the Windows, and click find. Then it will take you to this page where you'll have to choose what kind of driver you have. Then click on the download button that will appear on the next page. After downloading the driver again, your problem will be instantly fixed. Now, another step is running the installer as administrator. So simply right click the downloaded driver. After you install it, then choose run as administrator. This will bypass window permission issues. And if it still fails, follow the next step. So, next step is enabling the NVIDIA GPU in BIOS. Simply restart your PC, enter into BIOS, look for discrete GPU, PCLE graphics, switchable graphics, and make sure that the NVIDIA GPU is enabled. If it's disabled, the installer will not detect your graphic card. Save and restart. What you can also do is go to your motherboard or laptop's brand website and download the latest chipset driver. So for example, if my motherboard will be from AMD, I will search for AMD chipset drivers. Hit enter and download drivers and support for processors and graphic. Click on this link and download it. Now, open settings, choose window update and install everything because chipset drivers help Windows detect your hardware including the GPU. Now, step 7 is fixing GPU detection through desktop and this is for desktop only. So if you still get the error, simply shut down, remove the GPU from your PC or laptop, clean the PCLE slot, reset the GPU, reconnect the PCLE power cables because a loose or partially seated GPU is a common reason the installer says it cannot continue. After you do this, your NVIDIA installer cannot continue error will be instantly fixed. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.